What's up YouTube? It's your girl Amber Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's another week, so I'm here with another vlog. I'm so proud of myself, bitch. I'm on a roll. It's week 3. Don't mind me squatting down here on the floor. Why, I don't know. Today is November 17th, so it's like midweek. It's Wednesday, but I am now off for 6 whole days. I'm so excited. I love being off work. I plan on, you know, getting out the house this weekend, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me for that. But today is pretty chill. I'm getting ready to step outside and play with my drone. You guys, I got this shit months ago and I've only played with it once. That's how busy I be forgetting I even got the shit, but I need to get good with it, you know what I'm saying? I need to practice. So that's what I'm finna go do right now, just play with it. This is a mini DJI. Is this number 2? Is this the second series? I really can't remember. Mavic mini. You put your phone in this part and yeah. And then you're just like meow, 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 meow. And then every time I go to the gym, I get a protein shake from Jamba juice. So that's what I got here. I get the strawberry whirl with whey protein, medium size. I'm gonna open up some packages that I have here, you guys. This one is eyelashes. I already know what this is because of the packaging. I always get my eyelashes from the same place. I've been wearing this girl's eyelashes for a year, maybe 2. Red Rose Boutique. Yeah, I always get a bundle of eyelashes. She gives me a deal and I just get a bundle, and they usually last me for months, y'all. I swear, I kid you not, because I wear them over and over again. This is Glamour Show Off. This is called Princess. Flawless. It's icy. Gorgeous. Stunning. I think stunning is actually my favorite. Yay! Love new eyelashes. Now I can throw my old ones away because I use the shit out of them. Next package is from X Venus, which is my homegirl. But she has her own lingerie business now. I did order one just to support her. This is what I got, Forplay. I've been wanting one with a garter, and I think that's what it's called, but I don't think this comes with the stockings to clip on to, so I'm gonna have to go buy some stockings. But I will try this on for you guys. This is a size small, so I don't know what size I am, and it's in the color chocolate. It looks like it's black, but it's really chocolate. So it'll go just like this. Okay, my boobs can get into this. Looks like my boobs can get into this. It is see-through, honey, okay? Okay. Then here's the bottoms. So I saw this on one of the YouTube channels that I like to watch. She was reading her book. It's like a daily inspirational thingy or whatever, prayer. And so I need a new one because I haven't been doing what I should be doing, okay, when it comes to my relationship with God. Because I usually have a book with daily, you know, readings, but I don't know where it is. Designating morning alone time with God. Very important to start off your day. 50 powerful prayers to jumpstart your day. So this will last me 50 days. Volume 1, and then this is the girl Shantia Coleman, but I saw it on Jayla Corian's channel. Wake up, God. Oh, it's say wake up, girl. Like, why we telling God to wake up? Wake up, girl, and push through, period. Can't wait to start reading this. I will start tomorrow. This is what it looks like. So I don't have any hooks. I mean, I don't have any socks to, long socks to, or stockings to hook the garter onto. One of the things that I ordered recently from Walmart is this blood kit, blood type kit, because I don't know my blood type. That's fucking crazy. I'm a whole nurse. I don't know my blood type. I've never given blood before. I don't know. It's just a random thing. I was like, fuck it. Let me buy this shit online. It was like 10 bucks or something. Real cheap. So this is what the kit looks like, with instructions. So we about to do this real quick and see what's my blood type, y'all. Comment below what your blood type is, or comment below if you like me and you didn't know your blood type. Okay, my instructions. I need this shit to be easy to read, okay? I don't like to think. Let me read some instructions so I know what the fuck going on. Materials required but not provided: a glass with water, a clock, or timer. Now I gotta go get a glass of motherfucking water. This only come with one test per card, so I cannot fuck up, okay? There are 4 possible blood types: A, B, AB, and O, and then you can be positive or negative. Shit, this shit sound hard. I ain't got time to be fucking up. For real. Look at these fucking instructions, child. Look, complicated. Look. It's looking like very much something. I don't know. Thank God they got pictures. Alright, y'all. So a beach had to watch the video. They had a little video, a QR code. I had to watch the video just to be sure. Okay. All right, the reagents are green, red, yellow, and blue. These other boxes is for your personal information that you can fill out if you want to, you know, save this. But I don't plan on saving it, so I'm gonna know what it is, and that's what it is. Okay, because I'm old as shit and my blood type ain't gonna change. So got that laid out. Now what the fuck? Oh, I gotta go get that glass of water. Hold up. Y'all, so a bitch is officially O negative. I'm a part of that 7% or that small percent of people that have this blood. This is, I think this is what they call the golden blood, because we can donate to anybody. I got that good blood. Your girl got them good genes. I'm lit. I'm turned off that. I don't know. It's just my mom must be O negative too. She said she was O, but she can remember if she was negative or positive. She gotta be negative though, because if she was positive, I might not be here. You know what I'm saying? The only thing about being negative is you could have some complications when you get pregnant, when you bear children, because if the baby is positive, it could just cause problems, your body to like attack the baby's blood and all that type of shit. I do remember reading about that a lot in nursing school. So, but it's in God's hands. When I do decide to get pregnant, it's gonna be in God's hands, honey, okay? But alongside like possible pregnancy complications, if I ever need fucking blood, I can only get blood from O negative. And like I said, it's rare. Like, it's not a lot of us out here in these streets. So shit. If I'm in trouble, baby girl, woo, I need to donate. They need to pay me for my blood though, because this is some good blood. Real nigga shit. This just makes me want to give blood more, because if everybody was like me, not giving blood, and I'm rare, I'm that one, that fucking what, 7% of people that has the blood, universal blood type, it just makes me want to give blood more now. I'm really gonna think about it. But I just know people pass out a lot from giving blood, because they be taking so much blood and then they be feeling sick afterwards. I just ain't got time for that. I just don't know how I feel about giving somebody, a stranger, my blood. Like, you, it's like you a part of me. I'm a part of you now. I don't know. Do y'all give blood? How y'all feel about it? Let me know in the comments below. Do y'all feel what I'm saying? Like, I don't want my DNA in no stranger. I'm sorry, I just don't. No. And as far as the whole pregnancy thing, y'all, I'm not trying to scare nobody, but now it's like 21st century modern medicine. Like, there are shots that pregnant women can get to like prevent complications. Just throwing that out there. So I'm gonna eat and watch Netflix, and I will see you guys later on this week. Somebody want to take me on a date this weekend, so we're gonna see. What's up, you guys? So I am whoa, what was that? I am currently outside of Jack in the Box. I'm not getting food from here or anything like that, but I'm just waiting on a friend so we can go eat. I'm dressed, just got on like a black bodysuit, jeans, and combat boots. Got the bust down on. I did my makeup, you guys. I got my hair down, edges is laid. It's on my phone, so it probably look fucking blurry, and it's nighttime. So anyways, real quick, y'all, I did my makeup tonight. I think I did a good job. This is not doing me motherfucking justice, but baby, I look good. Okay. This is my first time doing the brown lip liner and lip gloss. Like, I've been trying to figure out how to get this look. I like it. I like this on me. It's giving grown and sexy. It's a new day, you guys. It's Saturday, and I'm currently at Redondo Pier. This is my first time out here. Me and my cousin are meeting up for lunch. It's like 3 o'clock, but yeah, this is my fit. Got a little boot, whatnot. So yeah, we finna check out the pier, go back up in there. There's like stores and bars and restaurants, so that's what we finna do. She's walking up now. And then later on, I'm getting drunk as fuck. Say hi. Hey.
Rich bitch rooftop.
Thank you. Ooh. Where the Uber?
It's here, but it's gonna leave us.
Put me on. Put me on. I have a YouTube channel.
Hey,
Please stop fucking playing with me. Get your ass on this side of the street. What are you doing? myself. I lost my phone, but I found my phone. It's a long fucking story. Y'all. At the strip club, doing my damn thing, I spent $100. That ain't shit.
Oh my God. If we live here,
You will be on the vlog, bitch. Vlog. I feel like me and her have the same ass. Hers is completely bigger than mine.
and it got some miles on it.
But it's like the same consistency. That's all I'm saying.
Because it's from the South.
Period.
Rihanna.
Period. Hi. I am alive, barely. I am sitting outside of a hookah lounge waiting on my friends from last night to meet me here. Because we're going to smoke hookah and drink more. Oh my fucking gosh. Y'all, I was so dead. I like died and went to heaven last night. I was out so late last night that I saw the sunrise this morning. It was crazy. I lost my phone at the outside the strip club. It was in the fucking street, you guys. But I guess I dropped it out of my hand or it fell out of my pocket or something, and I didn't know it. Honey, it was in the street. I had to do Find My iPhone. And I heard it ding, 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 ding. I was like, where is it? I hear it. And lo and behold, I kid you not, in the fucking street. Perfectly fine. It was in perfectly good condition, the same condition. Thank God nobody rolled over it. I was like panicking. I was like, oh my gosh, not my phone. My whole life is over. Like, everything is on this phone. Went to Weho, which is like a LGBTQ community. So it's like a bunch of bars and it's, you know, a strip for like gays. And so we went to a couple of those to hang out and had a fun ass time in there.
Everybody ready to go.